shattering.
I need to see the one shot in slow mo.
All right.
Yeah, dude.
Yes, dude.
See that? Professional, Mike.
So yesterday, did some bearings on that side, the other side. So I figured we ought to maybe look at this side, because if one side's bad, chances are the other side is not much better. This side doesn't have a problem yet, but I feel like if we don't look at it more, maybe it will. Ooh, this one's still got the rubber. Is that sand? There's dirt in there. Just like that. Except it's still in there and now it's more of a problem. Hey, Cornwall guy. Ty was his name. He used to come and bring us tools and take away the broken ones, and we'd spend lots of money, but now he doesn't come anymore. We miss you. Oh, got her on the run now. Premature celebration. Ah!
You angry yet?
Not yet. Working up to it. Okay. That was super easy. That went really well. There's definitely some rust-colored grease in there. Here, feel that. Put your finger in there. Those are chunks.
It's
Textured.
It's textured grease.
Yeah, it's supposed to. It lasts longer.
Yeah.
Once
It's got more grip.
So we'll pull that spindle off and look at that needle bearing in there. See how that one
Might
looks.
as well. We're here.
And you gotta get rid of that disc cover, so it matches the other side.
Yeah.
You don't want to pull into one side because it's lighter.
Yeah. All right. Well, there it is. I got it back together. We greased it up, cleaned it all out, greased it, put more grease on it. Now it works. Oh, hey, look at this.
Check out my rig.
Is that a Gladiator?
Yeah, dude.
This is my brand new Vanquish.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Today's
Hasn't been out on dirt yet. And then old Trusty over here.
Yeah.
My Traxxas TRX4 that Mike's gonna drive.
Yeah, we finished up the bearings.
Did we?
Yeah, look, tires on. Must be ready.
Oh, we finished up the door handle too.
Yeah, door handle's done. We're out of stuff to do.
We finished a bearing. Okay, we said to heck with it. And we took off out of the shop, and now we're all driving RC cars.
Yeah.
Look at all this.
So, Mike over here is driving my old Traxxas. And then I got my new Vanquish out here.
Vanquish.
Sean's got
G-Speed, chassis, the CX10 parts.
all custom everything.
Yeah, same
And
thing.
Justin's driving his other all custom everything.
Very custom.
Yeah, so we're
We try to record a lot of this.
gonna play around. This trail has been running so long.
It's different with the new rig. It's like way different.
I'm gonna say to hell with that route. Alright, I tried it.
I'll just put tires on it.
Trying to drive up the silly road.
Hey.
Alright.
All that sand. Yeah.
just keep ending up in like the same 3 spots.
I turned away earlier on that rock. Oh, you zigged the wrong zag.
That's nuts.
Yeah, I didn't make it. I tried. I failed there, and then again there. Then I rolled over right here. Here's what I know about RC cars. Like, say you're laying up on your side, you turn the tires uphill and floor it in reverse. Sometimes it'll come back up right. Yep.
Didn't happen. If Sean didn't see it, it didn't happen.
Yeah, it didn't happen.
There's your line, Sean. Look at that concentration.
Oh, no.
Look at that concentration.
Go.
See if Sean's got it.
I don't have portals. No. Mike, don't die.
Dead battery. Hi, there you are. Oh, she's taking a nap. Yeah! Here comes Justin. That looks a lot like how I drive. That was super impressive.
Catch it, Mike.
Hey,
Zoom out.
Hey.
Don't say nothing.
I'm not saying nothing. Justin.
Turn the camera off. It'll be easy.
You'll go right up it. She's sending her up here.
Yeah, I noticed that. I did that early, and then traction was less.
It's very much less.
I'm not gonna see anything.
Yeah, hang with her like that.
Oh no.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Drop it in that wedge. Use it to hold you.
Floor.
No. You had it. So you didn't. If you'd have made it, you'd have had it.
Oh. Well, now I'm obsessed. Now I have to get up this.
Good driving.
All
What do you do
right,
now?
we're sending it.
Okay. Kind of seemed like the line to me.
Is that the line?
Basically.
Dude. Traction is not there.
So latched on there.
Tried to catch it.
Yeah, saw that.
Oh, latched on. There we go.
You were.
You're good.
Really weren't.
Focus.
There it is.
Nice.
Yeah.
Dude.
There it is.
Wow.
Nicely done, Sean.
There you go. Oh yeah, that's awesome. It's fun.
Turtle. What? Expectations low.
You got my car? Yeah. That one walks it usually.
What? You're lying. You're lying.
Driver's there.
think I see a mushroom over there. Is that a shiitake?
You got it.
Oh, did you see
That was
that?
a good bounce.
Oh, dude. Dude, this is the kind of line that'll make me obsessed.
Right.
Oh.
Oh!
Well, it's not.
That was a
gonna be,
new record right there.
It's not
though.
gonna be legit, but I'm gonna just see.
There it is!
Oh! Dude, I want to do that.
Space jumpers.
Yeah, look at this lineup, people.
Check out the lineup.
Pretty cool.
Super sweet cars.
Yeah, and this one.
Don't include this one.
A baby Bronco.
Look at it. It's so cute.
It is cute, man. Look at that lineup of BFGs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All the good tires.
All the good tires.
Cam 3, Cam 3, Cam 3, and Crawler.
That's all I run on these. On
BFGs?
these. Oh yeah, they're good. Even the CJ has BFGs on it.
What's so funny?
What's so funny?
That wasn't a laugh. That was choking on Mountain Dew.
Helping somebody.
Yeah, that was
Oh,
not. That was not laughing. That was. Oh shit! Wrong hole. I'm gonna die right now. Anyway, yeah, we just went out for the afternoon and played around with RC cars for the heck of it. Everybody should do that more. Get out and have fun. Enjoy the scenery. But yeah, fun times. Was it, Mike?
Yeah, no, I had a great time. It was very enjoyable.
Yeah,
Super enjoyable.
That was Justin's first time with the 10 scale. He's got a little, what, 18?
Yeah, the TRX 4M, it's an 18 scale. They're fun, but the 10 scales are pretty cool like outside.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. We found the bearing packer.
Well, yeah, but do you have a working grease gun?
Does anyone?
No, because they don't exist. It's not a thing. I watched a video the other day on how to reload a grease gun.
Yeah. Was it
They made it look so easy. You just put the grease in.
was it a YouTube video?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, it had to. I mean, YouTube videos don't lie. They're
Right.
they're nothing but truth.
All facts.
Justin, edit it to make it look like you made it. Okay. Single shot it.
Justin's gonna look like the trailmater.
Oh yeah, you guys, everyone in the comments will be like, Justin is the best RC driver of them all. Look at this guy's skill. Let me see if I can one-shot it. I'm gonna do one attempt and then I'm done. Alright, well that was my attempt. I failed.